Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Store and a carousel system for your kitchen. To get started, you can use either one of the 5 medium-sized pre-cut bags or customize one from the vacuum bag roll included. To customize, simply seal the first edge by placing the edge of the bag in between the vacuum chamber. Be sure it isn't too far up or down and reduce any excess liquid in the bag. Lock the lid into place and touch the seal button to begin sealing. Once the LED light turns off, your bag is sealed. Cut the length of the bag you need. Be sure to leave space on the end for sealing. Once you've filled your bag, choose from 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation: dry for solid items and moist for wet items. Choose the gentle option for delicate foods that require less compression. The NutriChef also comes with an air hose and wine stopper so you can seal your leftover wine. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, the best way to your food's fresh,